Hello, my name is Juliana. I get exercise from Mrs. Sheila, and I will present a new product. The product is portable sewing machines. This is and the first product description. So portable sewing machine, so very practical and easy to use. Because the shape is mini or small and lightweight. And this type of sewing machine is commonly used by beginners in processing because the simple and does not require a lot of space. Next, features and benefit. Number one, this product it's not much too expensive, so the price so cheap, so anyone can buy this product. And number two, have a small and lightweight form. And number three, easy to carry anywhere because the simple and small. And maybe the shape product is similar to staplers. And then the last one have an operating pattern. Next, how to use this portable sewing machine. Number one, place the roll of yarn in a place called the thread stick. And number two, spin the roll on the machine yarn support. And number three, clip on the sewing machine. And number four, press the sewing machine until the stitches are complete. And then competitors and similars, their digital sewing machine. This is different total with my product, because this is product more expensive than my product portable sewing machine, because this is digital, not without battery or dynamo. And then the innovation and the unique is the size is different from the others. And then number two, easier to use anywhere, and then does not require electricity or battery. And then how will you motivate your customer to buy? Maybe customer will be interested in our product because this product made for beginners and will more simple. And then target market. Number one, for college student like me, maybe more easy to get it. And then because the price it's not too expensive, so a college student like me can buy this product. And then reason and why customer want to buy at this price. This product will be priced at maybe 15,000, and the price is quite cheap and more practical than the other, so buyer will prefer this product. marketing strategies. Maybe this product will be promoted to the use of sale website like Shopee, Lazada, Instagram, and then Facebook. Next, the product contribution to the society. This product will be very useful for people who are very busy or do not have time too much. So if people use this product, clothes will always be neat. And then the last one, this is product visual. Nah, okay, this is product visual, and this is a portable sewing machines. The shape so similar to staplers, right? And it's all about me. Thank you for watching.